सरकार लोकांच्यो कागाळी आयकून घेवपाक नव्यो नव्यो स्किमी काडटात। पंचायत चलो अभियान येवजणे खाला कायदो मंत्र्यान दवर्लीच्या दिगरपाल पंचायतीक भेट दिली। तांच्यो कागाळी आयकून घेतल्यो। पळयात।
Why do I say it is a lie? My office phoned him. He did not pick up the call. Thereafter, my office has sent him a WhatsApp message. And we have got 2 ticks. What is the meaning of the 2 ticks? That means my colleague, Mr. Benzi Diegas, has read the message. Ori asna to ena dala aikin korbachi. Dilbachi ke I have some fine korbachi. Baba fali hoga. There are 2 ticks. I have not sent. My office has sent. For example, आज मुझे बराबर आमदार बोसुना ते काय मेसेज घायला तो आज आयलो की आम तो येना जाल्यार बरं I am taking advantage of all of you today. I am visiting Veli constituency tomorrow. 10:30 in the morning I am at Chinchini Panchayat. 12 o'clock I am at Veli Panchayat. Through your media I am requesting my friend Cruz Silva, MLA of Valley constituency, to please come.
Because he's gone all out, launching police complaints and also registered a complaint with the ST Commissioner with allegations that he's being suppressed and subdued for no reason at all. So my member said he just spoke. In fact, we are at the receiving end for reasons best known or unknown. So, sir, I would like to,
Dogs on the road and they are multiplying and causing great inconvenience to this motorcyclists especially and the walking. So something needs to be done. We cannot.
Tell me what is your name?
My name is Sally. I'm speaking on behalf of some people who had that problem. And of course, that's our problem also. It's our problem also. So I thought I should say that. The people, especially I think, in spite of telling, like I will attempt even in Lopoli to tell people not to feed on the roads. Some government should come up with some guidelines that nobody should feed on the roads. That is creating the real problem. And then they say they are operating, they are left back and all. It's not true. Every 4 months you'll see new puppies come up on the road. So people should first stop feeding on. Survival of the fittest is there everywhere. So I believe we should educate our people, find them, or if they are caught, then they will be punished. Some restriction has to be there. Because they bring their hotel waste, they bring their chicken waste, and I have seen feeding on the roads late nights. It's happening in Dogori. So, yeah, so if something could be done, like when these people are caught, then they should be penalized. I strongly think. Because of them, the innocent people are harmed. So dog controlling has to be done by punishing those who are feeding on the roads. I told so many people, take the food, take the best food, eat at your own house. Let them come to your house, not on the roads. I made efforts as a biodiversity member, I made efforts in our locality, but it doesn't help. I think government should come up and something.
Minister, तुमच्या पंचायतीत विजिट करता तुमचे समस्या तुमचे जे काही प्रश्न आहात ते तुमच्या आयकर विभागात ते सॉल्व करपाक येता। आम्ही पळयता की मिनिस्टर ऑफ सप्लिमेंटरी मेळपाक कठीण आसता जावं ताका मेळपाक अपॉइंटमेंट घेवची पडटा पूण आमच्या सरकारान एक बरी कल्पना काडली की लोकांक मिनिस्टर अवेलेबल आसलो म्हणून आनी आमचो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर एवरी फ्रायडे लोकां खातीर कलेक्टर हावसान बसता लोकांचे प्रश्न कितें आसल्यार सुटावे करपा खातीर हें दाखोवन दिता की आमचो सरकार बारीकच्या बारीक लोकांक सुद्दां आमच्या मध्ये आमच्या जाणीवेच्या फादरांचे कडेन हाताचे वेलकम करतात सो बारीकचो बारीक मनीस सुद्दां मंदिराक वचून आपले प्रश्न सांगूंक शकता आनी जेन्ना बारीक मनीस जेन्ना सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आसता हॅप्पी आसता तेन्ना गांवचो विकास गांवांत शांतीकाय गांवांत एक बरें एक लोकांक आयकूंक मेळटा की बारीकले बारीक मनीस सुद्दां लोकांक कामां जाता तेंचे प्रश्न सुटावे जाता तांकां स्किमी मेळटा जाल्यारूच आमी सरकार लोकां मदीं पावपाक शकता आनी लोकांची कामां करपाक शकता ह्या खातीर आमच्या सरकारान एक बरो कॉन्सेप्ट हाडलो की मिनिस्टर डायरेक्ट पंचायतीन वचून लोकांक मेळपाक जाय आज तुमच्याकडे आमचो मीच दिला तुमचे किती पंचायतीचे किती प्रश्न समस्या आहात तुम्ही त्यांच्याकडे मांडपाच्यो त्याचप्रमाणे बाकीचे पण आमचे नागरिक आहात त्यांच्यानी तुमचे किती प्रश्न आहात मांडपाचे कारण आमकां लोकांची कामां करपाक लोक निवडून दिता आमी आमदार म्हणजे ह्या मतदारसंघात जायते आमी कामां केली हांगासले चडशे आमचे रस्ते हॉटमिक्स केल्या थोडेशे रस्ते 80% तरी आमी रस्ते हॉटमिक्स केलेले आसा आनी डेव्हलपमेंट हो प्रत्येकाच्या दारापर्यंत पावपाक जाय कारण लोकांक लायट उदक रस्ते हे सदांच आमी दिवपा खातीर प्रयत्न करपाक जाय कारण लोक आमकां निवडून दिता काम करपा खातीर त्या खातीर आमचे मंत्री सुद्दां लोकांच्या दारांनी वयता हें दाखोवन दिता की गोंयचो सरकार हो बारीकच्या बारीक लोकांक सुद्दां पावपाक जाय आनी तेंची कामां जावपा खातीर हांव चड वेळ उलयत आसतना तुम्ही सगळ्यांचे तुम्ही हांगा उत्तम टायम पडलेला तुमचे तुमकां सगळ्यांचे हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन म्हणटा तुमकां आनी तुमचे जे कितें प्रश्न आहा ते तुमी मंत्र्याक
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नाईक राऊत, गौतमी गांवकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।